Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, award. An award is a noun that refers to a prize or recognition given to someone for an achievement or accomplishment. It's often a way to celebrate hard work, talent, or excellence in a particular area. You might be familiar with some famous awards like the Oscars for movies, the Grammys for music, or even a certificate you've received at school or work. For example, she received an award for her outstanding performance in the competition. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for award. These include prize, trophy, honor, and commendation. Here's how they work in a sentence. He proudly displayed the trophy he won at the sports event, or the organization gave her an honor for her years of service. Synonyms like these can help add variety to your vocabulary and make your language more dynamic. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Antonyms for award include penalty, punishment, and forfeit. For example, instead of an award, the team received a penalty for breaking the rules. Antonyms provide contrast and help clarify meanings in different contexts. So, how can we use award in everyday life? You might hear someone say, "I'm hoping to win an award for my project," or they announce the awards for Employee of the Year at the company meeting. Whether it's formal recognition or something more casual, awards are all about celebrating achievement. Here are a couple of additional sentences to help you get a feel for the word. The school will present an award to the top student in the graduating class. She worked tirelessly on her artwork, and her efforts paid off when she won the prestigious award. To wrap up, we've learned that award is a noun that signifies recognition or a prize. It has several synonyms like prize and honor, and it contrasts with words like penalty and punishment. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. I'd also love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using award and share it with us in the comments? Until next time, keep learning and exploring the magic of words.